upcoming software engineer in Microsoft. Today we will solve this lead code problem of the day, which is question number 1984, minimum difference between highest and lowest of k scores. Okay, it is a easy mark question, and first let us understand what this question is saying. So we have a nums array. Uh, this so what we have to find is that we have to we have to take any k elements from this array, any k elements from this array, and have to find the minimum difference between the highest and lowest of that k element. Okay, it means in simpler terms we have to create a sub array from this array that contain k elements. Okay, and for each sub array we have to take the difference between its highest and lowest element. So whatever the answer we will get from all this subarray, we have to return the minimum of them. Okay, return the minimum. So let's take this example first and do a first understand this question in depth. So the example is, for example, it 20, 40, 6, uh, yeah, 20, 40, 60, 100, and 120. And let's say this is our array, and let's say our k is 3. So for let's see the sub array that we can create by taking three elements. So it should be 20, 40, 60. One of the sub arrays 20, 40, 100. One of the sub arrays 20, 40, 120. Similarly, other sub arrays are 40, 60, 100, and then 40, 60, 120, then 60, 100, 120, and they can also be 20, 60, 100, 20, 60, 120. So in that way, we can move away and create all the subarrays. Okay, and for each we have to find the value that difference between its maximum and its minimum number from that subarray. So here the maximum is 60 and the minimum is 20, so difference is 40. And here the difference between maximum and minimum is 80. Similarly here the difference is 100, and similarly here the difference is 60, here the difference is 80, and here the difference is 60. So we will continue and we will find a number that is the minimum, that is the minimum from all this maximum minus minimum difference. So we have to return that minimum number. So if you will see what we are actually doing, we are creating a subarray of k length, and from all those subarrays we are finding the difference between the maximum and minimum. Okay, so one of the intuitions is that let's write this example again: 20, 40, 60, 100, and 120. Okay, so if k is 3, now to find that subarray of k element, we can create multiple, like many such subarrays can be possible. But if you will think, the question is saying that we have to find the difference between the highest and lowest of k scores, and that should be the minimum. Now, for doing this, we cannot take this 20, 100, and 120 and and find the difference, because that should always be greater than the difference between the nearest, the closest k element that is there. Okay, if this array is short, what is the minimum difference between k element? It should be the closest k element from the minimum number. The difference between the closest k element from the minimum number will always give me the minimum number. For here, this minimum can be achieved by its closest k element. Okay, let me write it again. This is 20, 40, 60, 100, and 120. So for this, the minimum can be achieved by its closest k element. For this, the minimum can be achieved by its closest k element. Okay, we cannot take now 40, 100, 120. If you will take this three number and find the minimum, what the difference will be 80. But for this 40 and for its closest k element 100, the difference will be 60. That should the minimum than this. So we will get the idea that we have to take a window of size k, and we have to find the difference between this first index and the last index, and now we have to slide this window through this array. Okay, that is the approach, that is our approach. Okay, that is our approach. So Here in this case, for example, if this array is 20, 40, 60, 100 and 120, and since k is 3, so we create a window of size 3, and we will find the difference between first and last index, it is 40, and then iterate this slide this window to here, and here the difference is 60, and then again slide this window to here, and here the difference is 60, and in all this the minimum is 40, so we will return 40 as our answer. So this is our approach. Now if we will code it out, uh, let's write a pseudo function of it. So whatever with the function is, it contains that array. Okay. Now we will sort that array. Now after sorting that array, we will learn a rule loop from I equals to k minus 1 to, and I will less than n, and I plus plus. Now we will take a variable as answer and store the minimum in it. Store the minimum, store the maximum in it, sorry, since we have to take the minimum number. So for this answer we can write it as maximum of answer, and this nums I minus, or yeah, nums I minus k plus 1. So what this is doing, and now we will simply return answer. This is our pseudocode for this question, and what we simply doing is that we are just creating that window of size k and just sliding that window through all this array. Now let's coming to the complexity. Let's change the color. Yeah. So inbuilt sorting function will take n log n as time complexity, and this loop is running for uh, n minus k times. So this complexity is n minus k, and so overall, if you will see, the time complexity is O of n log n. Since we are using inbuilt sort function, so space complexity will also be O of log n. Now, how this space complexity is O of log n? So you can read it out, since inbuilt sort function uses quick sort, heap sort, and insertion sort, and its space complexity will be the recursive stack, which will taking O of log n. So that's why there's space complexity O of log n. So this is one of our solution, and I hope you will like it. Thank you.